Welcome to Facts with AI. Today we venture deep into the heart of the botanical world, a realm teeming with wonder and surprise. Our planet is home to an astonishing diversity of plant life, each species uniquely adapted to its environment. Join me as we uncover the secrets of 10 of the most extraordinary and rare plants on Earth. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing facts. Our journey begins with a plant of truly monstrous proportions, the Amorphophallus titanum, better known as the corpse flower. This giant among flora can reach heights of over 10 feet, its enormous ruffled spathe, a modified leaf unfurling like some prehistoric blossom, but be warned, its beauty is not for the faint of heart. The corpse flower earns its name from the pungent aroma it releases during its brief infrequent bloom, a stench often compared to rotting flesh. This repulsive perfume, however, serves a vital purpose, attracting carrion-feeding insects that act as its pollinators. Our next encounter takes us into the shadowy depths of Florida's swamps, home to the elusive and ethereal ghost orchid. This botanical phantom, with its delicate, white, ribbon-like petals, seems to float amongst the humid air, its roots clinging precariously to the bark of trees. The ghost orchid is a master of disguise, its leafless form blending seamlessly with the dappled sunlight and Spanish moss of its swampy domain. This, combined with its highly specific pollination requirements, makes the ghost orchid a rare and precious sight, a true testament to the wonders hidden within our world's most threatened ecosystems. Our exploration now leads us to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, where we encounter the parasitic giant Welwitschia arnoldi, the largest individual flower on Earth. This botanical behemoth can grow to over 3 feet in diameter, its fleshy, reddish-brown petals mottled with white, resembling a giant spotted mushroom more than a flower. Lacking leaves, stems and roots, Welwitschia arnoldi lives as a parasite, drawing its sustenance from the tetrastigma vine. Despite its parasitic nature, Welwitschia arnoldii plays a crucial role in its ecosystem, its enormous flower attracting pollinating insects from miles around. Chapter 4. Welwitschia mirabilis, a desert survivor. Our journey now takes us to the arid deserts of Namibia and Angola, home to a true botanical marvel, Welwitschia mirabilis. This extraordinary plant, with its ancient lineage dating back to the Jurassic period, seems to defy the harsh conditions of its desert home. Welwitschia mirabilis possesses only 2 leaves, which grow continuously throughout the plant's lifespan, often exceeding 1,000 years. These leathery leaves sprawl across the desert floor, absorbing moisture from fog and dew, enabling Welwitschia mirabilis to thrive in an environment where most plants struggle to survive. Chapter 5. Dragon's Blood Tree, a bleeding heart of Socotra. We venture now to the island of Socotra, often described as the most alien-looking place on Earth. A place where the landscape seems to have been plucked from a science fiction novel. The island's rugged terrain and surreal vistas captivate the imagination and transport visitors to another world. Here we encounter the Dragon's Blood Tree, a symbol of this island's unique biodiversity. This tree is not just a plant, but a testament to the evolutionary wonders that have taken place in isolation over millions of years. This bizarre and beautiful tree, with its upturned umbrella-like crown, seems to stand guard over Socotra's rugged landscape. Its silhouette against the horizon is both eerie and enchanting, a natural sentinel watching over the island. The dragon's blood tree earns its name from the crimson sap it bleeds when wounded, a striking red liquid that has fascinated humans for centuries. This sap, resembling blood, has given rise to myths and legends, adding to the tree's mystique. A substance once prized by ancient civilizations for its medicinal and dye properties, the sap was believed to have magical qualities. It was used in rituals as a cure for various ailments and as a vibrant dye for fabrics and art. Today, the dragon's blood tree stands as a reminder of the fragility of island ecosystems. Its presence is a symbol of resilience and the delicate balance that sustains life in isolated environments. The importance of conservation efforts to protect these unique and irreplaceable habitats cannot be overstated. As we strive to preserve Socotra's natural beauty, we also safeguard the legacy of the dragon's blood tree for future generations to marvel at and learn from. Chapter 6. Titan Arum, a giant among giants. We return now to the lush and vibrant rainforests of Sumatra, a place teeming with life and mystery. Here, amidst the dense foliage and towering trees, we encounter another botanical giant, the Titan Arum, a close relative of the infamous corpse flower. Both of these remarkable plants belong to the Araceae family, known for their unique and often bizarre floral structures. Like its malodorous cousin, the Titan Arum produces an enormous inflorescence, a spectacular and towering structure that can reach heights of over 10 feet. This botanical skyscraper is not just a marvel of size, but also of strategy. It has evolved a fascinating method to ensure its survival and reproduction. Unlike many other plants that rely on bright colors or sweet scents to attract pollinators, the Titan Arum boasts a different strategy for attracting these essential visitors. Instead of mimicking the stench of decay, which is a common trait among its relatives, the Titan Arum generates heat, a unique adaptation that sets it apart in the plant kingdom. Its spathe, the large petal-like structure, warms the surrounding air, creating a thermal chimney effect that carries its pungent, cheese-like aroma far and wide, ensuring that it reaches potential pollinators even from a distance. This ingenious method attracts a swarm of pollinating insects, which are crucial for the plant's reproduction. The Titan Arum stands as a testament to the incredible adaptability and diversity of life in the rainforest. Our journey takes us next to the Himalayas, where legend speaks of a mythical flower, the Utan poluo, said to bloom only once every 3,000 years. This tiny, delicate flower, measuring just a few millimeters in diameter, is said to emit a sweet, sandalwood-like fragrance. While the Utan poluo's legendary blooming cycle remains a subject of debate, its existence is very real. This remarkable plant, often found growing on the bark of trees or even on metal surfaces, is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life, even in the most unexpected of places. Chapter 8. Lithops, Masters of Disguise in the Desert. Our exploration now takes us to the arid regions of southern Africa, home to the remarkable lithops, also known as living stones. These fascinating plants have evolved a unique strategy for survival in their harsh environment: mimicry. Lithops have adapted to resemble the stones and pebbles amongst which they grow. Their fleshy, paired leaves, often patterned and colored to match their surroundings, provide camouflage from hungry herbivores. This remarkable adaptation, combined with their ability to store water for long periods, makes lithops true masters of survival in the desert. Chapter 9. Baobab Tree, the Tree of Life. Our journey culminates in the vast, sun-drenched savannas of Africa, where we stand in awe of the majestic baobab tree. This tree is not just a plant, it is a symbol of life and resilience in this challenging environment. The baobab tree, often referred to as the tree of life, has adapted to survive in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Its presence is a beacon of hope and endurance, thriving where few others can. These giants of the plant kingdom, with their massive bottle-shaped trunks, can live for thousands of years. They store vast quantities of water within their swollen stems, a crucial adaptation for surviving long periods of drought. The baobab's ability to store water is not just a survival mechanism for the tree itself, but also a lifeline for the surrounding ecosystem. During dry spells, animals and humans alike rely on the water stored within these ancient trunks. Baobab trees play a vital role in their ecosystem, providing food, shelter, and even water to a wide array of creatures. From the smallest insects to large mammals, many species depend on the baobab for their survival. Birds nest in its branches, while animals seek refuge in its shade. The tree's fruit is a source of nourishment, rich in vitamins and minerals, sustaining both wildlife and local communities. They are a testament to the interconnectedness of life and the importance of preserving these ancient giants for generations to come. The baobab tree stands as a reminder of the delicate balance within nature, where every element plays a crucial role. Protecting these trees is not just about conserving a species. It's about maintaining the health and vitality of the entire ecosystem. As we look to the future, the baobab tree inspires us to cherish and protect the natural world around us. Chapter 10. jade vine, and emerald cascade. Our final destination brings us to the rainforest of the Philippines, where we encounter the breathtaking jade vine, a climber known for its cascading clusters of claw-shaped flowers, ranging in color from turquoise to emerald green. This rare and endangered beauty, pollinated by bats, is a sight to behold, its luminous blooms resembling clusters of precious gems hanging like chandeliers from the forest canopy. The jade vine serves as a reminder of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity for future generations. Outro, until next time, explore the wonders. Thank you for joining me on this extraordinary journey through the world of rare and unusual plants. From the towering corpse flower to the diminutive Utan poluo, these botanical wonders remind us of the incredible diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating facts. See you in the next video.